EGM of Accenture Tech has approved an allotment of 4 lakh shares to Bharat Sheth and relatives. To discuss this and some of their acquisitions, joining us is VS Pradeep, MD of Accenture Technologies. Pradeep, thanks very much for joining us. First of all, if you can tell us about this preferential allotment, how much money have you raised, and when the conversion does happen of these, at what rate would it be?
The preferential allotment money is due anytime, probably this week. And the warrants are just 2 lakhs warrants have been issued to the group, and that money is expected most probably in next two months time. And the total sum which we are raising in the next 2 to 3 months is close to around 55 crores of rupees for our acquisition funding, mainly in the US and the UK.
Okay. Once there is the conversion of these warrants, how much equity dilution would there be? What is the promoter holding? What would it be down to?
See, we are expecting a total equity to be around 12.5 crores at the end of all the dilutions, including the GDRs, which is expected to open early next month in Singapore and Luxembourg stock exchanges. And at the end of all this dilution, it will be 12.5 crores, and the promoter contribution is going to be 45% of the equity.
I believe the conversion will happen at 167 rupees per share, Mr. Pradeep?
Exactly.
All right. Mr. Pradeep, also talk about your two acquisitions. Like you said, the money that essentially comes in, you will be looking at funding both your acquisitions. GRS Physicians and GRS Systems are the two acquisitions you made. How much did you pay for these companies, and will this money be enough to completely pay out the deal?
We have done these acquisitions at 0.7 revenue multiples, and we are doing a 25% cash and 75% stock deal with these companies' acquisitions, and 75% stock is mainly through the GDRs, which we are listing in Luxembourg and Singapore Stock Exchange. So the valuation is basically 0.7 revenue multiples, and which would give us a very good leveraging on the money which we are raising for this 25%.
Pradeep, give us an idea of the merger of Geosoft and Iridium. What is the kind of scale that you hope to be able to achieve with these two now as part of Accenture?
We had been growing at around 110% over the last 3 years with Geosoft and Iridium. And with the acquisitions happening in the US, we are expecting to grow at around 200-250% this year with the two companies which we have acquired. And one more company we have acquired recently is Ascent Infoserve in Bangalore. That also is expected to grow at almost the same levels.
So in terms of employee strength, and if you can give us an idea what kind of total revenue you could be looking at with these?
Okay. With these acquisitions in the US and the Indian acquisitions, our employee strength has gone up to around 1,700 people with 350 people working from US alone. So this employee strength is expected to grow by almost 150% in the next 1.5 years.
And top line, bottom line?
Top line this year we are expecting 110 crores and a bottom line of around 35 to 37 crores.
Tanveer?
Yeah, Mr. Pradeep, any more acquisitions that you're looking at on the anvil at this point in time, and which geographies would you essentially be focusing on?
Yes, Tanveer. We had already entered into LOIs with another 2 more companies. So altogether there will be 5 companies which will be acquiring this financial year. And one of the companies will be in UK, which is into solution providing for hospitals in Australia and the UK. And we are actually targeting ourselves as a company which provides the entire solutions and service backup for hospitals and healthcare facilities in the UK and America.
All right, Mr. Pradeep, many thanks for joining us and giving us those details.